Ang palagi kong realization every end of the year na kahit gaano man karami ang pagsubok na pinagdaraanan ng bawat isa sa amin, nagkakaroon man ng mga tampuhan, sobrang blessed pa rin dahil nananatili kaming kompleto at patuloy na nagkakasama-sama. From Mama La! Open! Yeah, it's from Mala! Wow, what's that?
Wow, magnet!
Hi! You're so pretty naman! Oh, yeah. Mag-kiss muna, Gani. Kiss, Gani. Wow! What's that?
Daming gift ng Martha na yan ah. Say thank you, Granny.
What?
There you go. Okay, you three.
Hindi na pinansin si Bebe. Usually pag nakahiga, gusto niya.
Ayun. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, baby.
Hey.
Sabihin mo.
Bakit?
Sabihin mo, dali. Kunwari, hindi namin alam.
Ano ba yan? Hindi mo alam.
Si Kuya, hindi daw niya alam. Ay, ayan. Open, open, open. Open, open. Baka kami matamaan mo. Wow.
Meron din, nasan ba?
Julie!
Cheers! God bless our family.
Sparkling. Ended our Christmas day with our both families, my family and his family. Ang cute nga.
Are you happy with your straw?
Chika-chik. Gusto niya may nakikita siya ni Asway. Chika-chik.
Happy New Year!
It's 2025! Chika, chika.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year pala. Again.
Again, again.
You say Happy New Year. Happy New
So happy.
Ayan ang baby. Tapos na, nakikinood na nga lang ng fireworks. It's nice. Let's go. Do it again. We're just watching. Where is it? There. There, on the other side. On the other side. On the other side. On the other side. Kaliwaan na. Kaya nga eh.
Pala silang dali na fireworks.
Wow! Natatakpan dito, oh. Ayaw mo na. Ayun eh, natatakpan ng puno. There! Wala na. Hindi natin siya Kailinis. Fireworks! There! 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 Nakinood na kami. May fireworks eh. Marami fireworks.
Ayun.
Another one. Fountain na muna daw. Sabi niya, I'm so bored. Wala akong marinig.
Naalis na yan.
Ayaw niya nang may hoodie eh.
Kaya si mama na hindi kumadinig. Hindi tuloy ako makatawa. Oh.
Fountain, fireworks. Ay, meron pa din.
Maligayang pasubok at sa mapapalak na
First time sa Brothers Rain Church. Nice, nice. Dito kami kinasal ni Dad, 2019. Tapos dito bininyagan si ate.
Tata gave her money.
Tato gave you money. Oh, look at that. Super ganda. Ayan, historical church din to. Dito nag-declare ng freedom. Republika ng Pilipinas yan. First Republic of the Philippines.